In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $30 over and over again. And I'm going to show you this in 2 clear steps. If you want to know what these steps are, make sure you watch this video from step 1 to the last step. And this is Brigxel Bees. This is what we do on this channel. This is your guy Ken, and on this channel we show you tips, tricks, and strategies on how to make money online. We cover a wide range of topics from affiliate marketing to freelancing to cryptocurrencies and other topics that could help you make money online. If this sounds like what you are interested in, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be updated whenever we have new videos. Now let's jump right into this video. Now you're gonna come to this website here, Fiverr. Okay, fiverr.com. You've heard a lot about Fiverr, and I want to show you how people are using something as simple as logo design to make crazy amount of money on this website. Pretty sure you've heard something about this before, how to create logos, how to make money online creating logos. But you see, most times we don't make money online because we don't take stuff like this serious. Now what I want to do is show you how people are doing this and how simple this is, and they are making crazy amount of money on this website, guys. So for example, if we check out this person here, if we click that here and see where it brings us to, we can see that this freelancer on this website has 4.9 star review, and over, if we zoom that in, over 1,138 jobs done on this website. And then you can see we also have 85 others in queue. This is serious. This person has 85 orders in queue as at the time of filming this video. And what is the job? Simply to design a logo. Okay, this is simple, and you can see the logos. There's something as simple as this. And if you look here, this freelancer here has a basic plan, standard, and premium plan. The basic plan starts from $30. $30 multiplied by how many jobs done? Over 1,138 jobs done on this website. Then you do the math and see that this is thousands of dollars, for close to $40,000 to $50,000 this person has made on this website over time by simply designing logos. And this is crazy how much you can make. If you look at these logos this person is designing, look at it, some simple stuff. Now I want you to take note and see how simple these logos are, because I'm going to show you where you can create logos as simple as this, even logos that are better than these, and make money. Okay, so what you're going to do is join me as we move to the next now before we go to the next step, I want to show you something here. This person has been working on this website for has been a member on Fiverr as a freelancer since 2015. You can see, and it says here the last delivery was done about 5 hours ago. So this is not what you just start and then after 1 month you say you're quitting. You can see this person has been here since 2015. This is what you do, and you're consistent while you still do some other things you do, maybe your 9-to-5 job and some other stuffs you do. You do it and stay consistent. Over time, you're going to become an authority on this website. A lot of people are going to do reviews for you, and then you become a popular seller on a site like Fiverr, and then you start raking in thousands of dollars monthly. That's how to make money online. You don't just start it and then you quit, okay, and then you complain it's not working. It works. A lot of people are doing this. Okay, I've made money online doing some of this stuff, so you can also do it. Now let's jump right into the next step. Let me show you the website that you're gonna use to do this very quickly and free. Now, the next step is to come to this website. You can see here it says freelogodesign.org. Okay, make sure you search this. Okay, so this is a website that's going to help you make free logos. Okay, and this is how it works. Very simple. You can see it says here create a free logo in seconds. All you need to do is to come here, and now the order you get from Fiverr, okay, the order you get, you need to make sure you search the category, because this website provides you templates. Okay, so you get templates that are coherent with what the buyer of your service wants. Okay, so if the person needs an agricultural logo, needs a logo related to animals and pets, architectural, automotive and vehicles, business and consulting, children and childcare, so you can see all the categories here. Okay, so let's say the person needs a religious logo. All I need to do is to click this, and then this website is automatically gonna give me a lot of templates that are religiously related templates. Okay, so you can see a lot of them here. So all I need, we have a bunch of them. So let's say I need this one here. I want to make a logo for a church. Okay, all I need to do is to click that, and then it's gonna load the editor. Now this is where I'll be able to work on this logo professionally and be able to create it. Now it's easy to use this editor. Now all you need to do is to click this icon if you want to adjust it. Okay, so let's say I want to adjust that. I can just click it and then choose any of these buttons. Okay, so you just gradually go through these buttons to see what they are. You'll be able to make adjustments to this image. So let's say I want to go check out what this thing is. All I need to do is to click it. Now it shows me what I can do to that image by just doing that. So I can bring it forward, I can bring it to the front, bring it forward, send it backwards, send it back. So that's it. That's what I can do by doing that. Okay, if I click that button now, that means I can double the image. Okay, so you can see I can double the image. Now I'm doubling the image. I've doubled the image there. Okay, so I can delete it if I don't want it doubled. So I can just click that and delete it. Okay, I think I doubled it twice. So click that again, delete it. Now it's single again. You can see that. So these are stuffs I can do to the image. I can actually move it about, can remove it. You can see what's happening. That's it. I can actually change the color of that. I can come here and click color and then change the color. Let's say I want the color to be let's say I want the color to be, let's change the color. Yeah, let's say I want to go with that color, this color. All I need to do is to click apply button here, and then boom, you can see the color of the image is changed, guys. So now if I want to change the text the same way, click the text button. Okay, that's the stuff here. Now I can click here to change the name. Okay, if I want to change the name. If I don't want to change the name, I could leave it. Of course, definitely you're gonna have to change the name. Okay, you put the name of the company your client wants you to use, and then you can click, do a lot of stuff here, change the color of the text, and do other stuffs you want to do. Okay, so if you want to add some icons, you could click that button here, okay, to get icons added. So you have a lot of icons. If you want to add an icon to your logo, okay, or you want to search a certain icon, you know the name, you're going to search it. You want to add a shape, okay, you could use that to add shapes to your logo. Let's say you want to add the love symbol, whatever you want to add. So this is how this thing works. Okay, so once you are done doing all these things, okay, so let's say during the editing process you did something and then you want to return it to the original this thing, you click reset and then you get it. Okay, once you're done, you could click preview to see it, and then you click here to save, and then you click here to download, guys. So that is how this thing works. Okay, so you don't have much to do, just follow the processes, and then you get your logo designed and downloaded, and then you send it to the person that buying your service, and that's it. So what you're going to do is to go to fiverr.com and create an account as a freelancer. So in the description of this video, I'm going to leave a link, okay, which you can use to sign up here as a freelancer, create your account perfectly, and then you start freelancing on this website and start making $30 over and over again. Guys, this works, and this is how you can do it, and this is how people are doing it. So this brings us to the end of today's video. If you got value out of this video, please make sure you subscribe, leave us a nice comment, and it's your guy Ken, and this is Brigxel Bees signing out.